This is a Mastec CNC wood lathe machine. This three machines. There are three machines here. All for Russian customers. This machine is a CEA model with the ETC function. The ETC function have four tools, can fix 4 tools, and it can do the holing works like this sample shows to you. And it also can do such work as turning cut and groove the staircase column. And these two machines are MWL 1215 CET model. It can process 3 samples at the same time. The working efficiency is very high, and you can see this device is material loading assistance device, controlled by a foot switch. It is a DSP controller. 3 spindles can do grooving works. The same model. And this machine is a 4-axis CEP series model. You can see it can do the works of 4 axes, plain engraving and round engraving. It also can add the optional loading assistance device. This is a DSP controller also, and also this is the double rotary 4 cutters. Double rotary 4 cutters, CNC wood lathe machine, and this is the 3 rotary axis and 6 cutters with spindles. This machine was ordered by our Russian customer. Thank you for watching.